Hello everyone, welcome back to our HTML course series where we are learning HTML from scratch. In today's video, we will cover an essential topic that may seem small but is crucial for your website's branding, the HTML favicon. So, let's get started and learn more about it. What is HTML favicon? A favicon, short for favorite icon, is a small icon or image that appears in the browser tab next to the page title. It can help users to quickly identify your website and distinguish it from other open tabs. It is typically displayed in the browser's address bar, tabs, bookmarks, and sometimes in search results or social media previews. Favicon.ico is the traditional file format for favicons, but other image formats can also be used. Syntax: to add a favicon to your HTML document, you need to include a link element in the head section of the document with the following attributes. Rel specifies the relationship between the document and the linked resource. Use icon to indicate that the linked resource is a favicon. Type specifies the MIME type of the linked resource. For favicons, use image/ping or image/x icon. href specifies the URL of the linked resource. This should point to the location of the favicon file on your web server. Example: in this example, the linked element specifies that the linked resource is a favicon with the MIME type of image/x icon and with the URL of favicon.ico. This assumes that there is a file named favicon.ico in the root directory of your web server. If your favicon is in a different format, for example .png, you can specify the correct MIME type in the type attribute, like in the second example. File format: favicons can be in various image file formats, such as .ico, .png, .gif, or .jpg. The most commonly used file format for favicons is .ico, which is a Windows icon file format. However, modern browsers also support other file formats such as .png and .svg. When creating a favicon, make sure to choose a file format that is supported by all major browsers. Size and resolution: favicons should be small in size and have a square aspect ratio, typically between 16 by 16 pixels and 32 by 32 pixels. However, some browsers may support larger or smaller sizes, so it's a good idea to provide multiple sizes of the favicon to ensure compatibility across different devices and browsers. You can do this by including multiple link tags in the head section, like this. In this example, 3 different sizes of the favicon are provided, each with a different file name and size specified in the href attribute, and the size of each favicon is specified in the sizes attribute. Points to remember: 1. Keep in mind that browsers may cache the favicon, so if you've updated your favicon, it might take some time for the new one to appear. To see immediate changes, clear your browser cache or open your website in an incognito or private window to see the new favicon. 2. If you don't have a favicon specified, most modern browsers will automatically look for a file named favicon.ico in the root directory of your website and use that as the default favicon. 3. Additionally, some platforms, like iOS, have their own specific requirements for displaying favicon, so consider testing your favicon on different devices and browsers to ensure it looks good in all scenarios. Overall, adding a favicon to your HTML document is a small but important step in improving the user experience of your website. It can help users to quickly identify your website and improve the overall look and feel of your web pages. Live demo: let's put our knowledge to the test with a simple example. I will demonstrate to you how to add HTML favicon to your web page and show you some best practices. Let's jump into the Visual Studio Code editor to write some code. Let's create a new HTML file, index.html. Now type HTML5, select the HTML5 boilerplate skeleton code suggested by the Visual Studio Code editor and hit enter on the keyboard. Now, first update the text content inside the title tag. This content will be displayed in the browser tab bar. Now, let's insert the h1 heading tag as the main title of our page. Add some dummy text inside the h1 heading element. Now, let's create the favicon using the link tag, which consists of three main attributes: rel, href, and type. Now let's generate our favicon image by visiting the favicon.io website, which allows you to generate favicon from image or text. Here I am generating a favicon using text. Let's add some text. You can also update font size, font style, and background color as well. Now if you are satisfied with the styling of the favicon image, now let's generate and download the file. The downloaded zip file consists of different sizes of icons for different platforms, but here we need a .ico image file for the favicon. Let's move this folder to our directory and link it in our href attribute as a relative path. Now save the file and open it in the browser to see the output result. Here, you can see we have a favicon image showing next to the title. Same as this, you can add more favicon images for different sizes and platforms. It will make your web page identity stand out from others. Congratulations! Now that you've learned how to use HTML favicon, and now you know how to add them to your web pages using HTML. The favicon is a simple yet effective way to make your website stand out and look more professional. Make sure to do more practice using different HTML tags to enhance your web development skills. That's all for today's video on HTML favicon. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. If you want to learn more, check out the complete HTML course link in the description box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.